Hi, I'm Matthew, and welcome to Will It Shave Wednesday. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. On today's shave, I'm going to be using some soap sent by Robert. Robert, thank you. This is Master Soap Creations, and it is Peppermint Lime. And, you know, I love menthol. Robert said, hey, this has a lot of menthol to it. And just smelling that, it definitely has the menthol and a hint of lime. I'm not picking up any of the peppermint, but before I get started, I want to say that I'm probably going to be trying to shave with my right hand because I have a little ouchie boo-boo and I don't want to show that too much in the video. So I already have that soap lathered up here. Ouchie boo-boo. I already have the soap lathered up here, and I'm using the Yaqi. You say Yaqi, I say Yaqi. Anyway, we'll just say it together. This is the 24 millimeter bore brush, and I'll try not to bend down and show you that. Got a little part of my butt showing there. Anyway, so I have that lathered up, and I used a 1/4 teaspoon of soap, and that soap did not want to take too much water. 8 milliliters is what did the damage. So there we go. And I'm going to be using, this is the Will It Shave Wednesday part. I've already shaved with this a few times. Have you guys seen this particular razor head? This is also a Yaqi razor, and this is the advanced twist, slant, whatever you want to call it. They do say on the website it is a 9 out of 10 on aggression, and I will give it to them. Yes, it is. It also notes in there something to the effect of near straight razor shave. Yes, it is. This handle right here is the vintage thick, and that's a razor rock handle. The blade that I'm going to be using is my Voskhod. I know it's pronounced differently, but I'm going to say Voskhod because that's how I've always said it. And one of the viewers had said, try that in an aggressive razor and that will tame it down. So we're going to do a double whammy here and pull out that blade. Brand new blade. We're going to lay it right in there. Look at that. You can't see it. As far as I can tell, the top cap can go on either way. I've tried it both ways. There's no marks or indications. Nothing on the Ziploc bag that it comes in. 2 days worth of growth. Let's go ahead and get lathered up here. Let's see this menthol, Robert. Come on. I have not used this soap, so I have no idea how it's going to perform. No pre-shave, by the way, if you guys noticed. And here we go. Let's do the damage. You can feel it. I'm sure you can hear it too. That's taking her down. No problem there. Buttery smooth. I think when you're using this razor, in the notes, I had to look up on the Australian site. It said to be used in the hands of a skilled shaver. I don't know that I'm skilled, but I will say I do agree. This is very aggressive. Not too much residual slickness left over by the soap. But I will say it's providing some comfort there. Let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass 2. I do feel the menthol kicking in a little bit. It's nice and cool. This is one of the brushes that I received a while back on one of my orders that I actually got. Is it just me? Ouchie boo boo. It seems like the soap is kind of thin. Oh well, we're gonna run with it. And the since the brush is new, it's gonna be losing some hairs in there, which is to be expected. I have a mirror over here that I'm going to use with this advanced razor. You can't see over there, can you? Ouchie boo boo. You gotta have a little bit of fun, right? I will say that the blade in there is not too bad, surprisingly. I'm going to go get it cleaned up and do my post-shave routine. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. I did a cool water rinse, and I took a ice cube and rubbed it all over. I do have a couple weepers right there and right there. But I will say that that did provide a nice shave. I will say another thing that I probably need to use a little bit more soap with that particular soap, so I can't discredit that, and that was probably user error on my part. I'm going to use the matching splash. I've never used this either. So, ooh, that stuff's kind of milky looking. The ice cube did wake up the menthol a little bit, which was nice. And that splash is a very silky feeling. That's nice. But you know what? I can't live without my star jelly, so let's go ahead and put that on while we're at it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Voskhod, my friend, I'm so sorry I said all those bad things about it. No, I was doing a little bit of thinking while I was doing some cleanup, and I thought, you know, that blade probably, I don't know if I should say this, but you know, if you've ever used the derby blade, it's not real sharp, it's maybe not real smooth, but if you put that in an aggressive razor, it does tame it down. And maybe that's where, for me, that blade falls into that category. anyway, I had to get this razor back out. And so, Jerry, thank you for sending this razor head to me. I really appreciate it. It was a fun shave. And I just want to give a little shout out to Sandy, because I know she's tortured by watching these videos with Jerry. But hey, this is what it's about, having some fun. So if you've made it this far and you like the content, please go ahead and like, subscribe, or share. I really appreciate it. And I'll put a little picture right here of all the things that I used today. And I will see you guys on the next shave. You guys have a great rest of your week.